Alright guys, welcome back. So today I'm going to work. I'm headed to work, but I got some packages in the mail. Do a video on an install of something. I mean, it's not special, nothing big or anything like that, but it's a pretty cool mod you can do to your truck. I know like all the lariat trim level Ford is like 15 all the way up to 2020. I'm pretty sure even the 21s have it, but it's a tailgate assist, and I'll show you what I'm talking about in the video. But I'm gonna change out the one that I have, and I'm gonna put this one on there, and it's gonna look better because you ain't gonna see it, you know. So I'll show you how to do the install on that, but it'll be a cool little mod so y'all can see it. But I'm headed to work right now. I gotta go pick up the package because I usually get all my packages at work anyways. So, you know, I'll show you all that. And also I'm gonna do another vid on this truck of how it's been. Right now it's got 143,000 miles, 146,293 miles currently as I'm driving. But also I don't know if it'll catch it on camera or not, but as of right now I'm getting 19.8 miles to the gallon. So if you look right there, I've already driven 60 miles, and that's currently what I'm getting. 19.8 miles to the gallon, 624 miles to empty on a full tank gas. But that was actually higher since obviously I've already driven 61 miles, so it was higher. And I'll kind of give you a rundown how I get that high. Like I said, usually when I'm in Florida working down there, I get higher MPGs because of the straight roads. But here where I live is nothing but, you know, it's country roads, so it's back roads, so it's just a bunch of stopping, dirt roads here, you know, short roads there. So, you know, there's your MPGs drop. But as of right now, you know, I just, you know, haven't been driving to work every day, but I've been at home, you know, these past couple of days. But, you know, my MPGs, they're about there. I think the lowest that I've seen right now is 17 miles to the gallon. So right now, well, I'm gonna talk about how I get that and what I have in the truck. I know I've talked about it in previous videos, but I'll go ahead and give you a rundown. I do have an intake, a K&N intake, and also I got a tune from SET Tunes, and I got a Flowmaster exhaust, and also I am running the pedal commander. So right now mine is set at city with a +4, but actually I should take it down. I usually run it at +2. I don't know why it's at +4 right now. +4, sorry. I don't know. I guess I must have touched it the other way and it messed up. But yeah, I'll show y'all that. As for performance mods, that's about it. Oh, also I am running a catch can on this truck. The intake, K&N intake, the catch can, the hood. Oh, a throttle body spacer also, and the Flowmaster exhaust, and a custom tune or tunes. I got 5 tunes on this truck that I can switch back and forth from SET Tune Performance, sorry, SET Performance. So look at that AT4 right there. So yeah, like I said, I'll do a rundown on that and kind of show you why I get the, right now, like I said, it's 19 miles to the gallon. That's what I'm getting. But you know, I'll talk about that. All right, guys. So finally got my part in. I'm gonna do a quick install on this. This is the actual OEM Ford tailgate assist. So, oh yeah, Jose's right here too. Installs right there. We're at work. I'm gonna do this install during workout. So, this is my old tailgate assist. I'm gonna take this off, and I'm gonna install the Ford OEM part. I'll show you how to do it.
Yeah.
Yeah, this one's good.
Let me get it.
I'll give it to you.
Alright.
So, like I said, I'm gonna remove this one. I'm gonna install this one. This is a Ford OEM. I'll go ahead and do an unboxing real quick.
I'm gonna go bring my truck.
But this actually is already on Jose's truck because it came from the factory like that. But I wanted the factory. Not a factory look, but this is the dampener for it. 60 bucks. Yeah, it's a $60 part. And this here's the new part. So this goes on that side, obviously. So I'm gonna change this out. We have to take the tailgate out. We have to put this on there and then go from there. So I'll show you how to install this. But this will give it a cleaner look, so you won't see this anymore on the tailgate. It'll look like that, nothing will be there, and we'll put this part on. So we'll go ahead and do that. Pull this sucker out.
All I'm saying is, the more is 5 minutes.
That's a good tune.
I don't want to instead of him calling Sam, why don't we call Bird Trap? They're the ones that really know what
They don't know.
Huh?
I guess they don't.
Sam's just gonna say what?
This goes back in here, so I won't need this. Take all these parts out. I'll take this bracket off, so I'm gonna take that. Gotta get back under here. Disconnect. Disconnect that plug right here. I'll take these out. These steerings. Tail light not touching though. This bracket has to stay here. And that bracket has to stay there. So now I'm gonna go ahead and install the other one. Where's that? So
That's it, though?
yeah, I think so. No. How's that? Now we just gotta tighten it up, but
Look what it's gotta go. Huh? No, dude, get that.
so that's it. We just gotta get the shot put in there. So if you look at your shot, it's got this angle. If you look at it, it's got like a slight angle on it. Well, that angle is gonna go. I don't know if you see it, that nipple right there. So obviously, like I said, the top one, the angle will go up there. The bottom one will go down here. See, that one's already in. Just gotta angle this one. can't do it with one hand, so there it is. So there's the shock on the inside, and it won't interfere with the tail light at all. So I can go ahead and put the tail light back in. Tailgate sensor, so it should.
It's got air in it.
Yeah.
Or something, that was too fast.
No, that was it.
Yours
That's
ain't
it.
that fast, is it? Yeah.
Yep. See, I eliminated this one. Now that one's eliminated too. And the shock is inside. Oh, this is this new base. And that's it. So, try it again. Nice. And that's it. Alright, so we're driving to the Mexican store. We're gonna go get a torta. But I was gonna let y'all know, like I said earlier in the video, how I'm getting right now, 19.6 miles to the gallon. And I've already driven 73 miles. But like I said, a lot of those miles are just straight road. But the key to this, honestly guys, like I said, I'll show you what I got under the hood. Is like I said, I got an intake, got a throttle body spacer, I got tunes, got the pedal commander, and the exhaust. But the key to this is just go easy, man. Go easy on your vehicle. Let the transmission do its thing. You know, mine's been shifting around right before 2,000 RPM, so you see it right there. So yeah, just go easy with your. Like I said, I've been going easy. I think last week I was getting 17.7, but right now, you know, I'm at 19.5. But like I said, it's just you know, just let the truck do its thing, let it shift properly. You know, just go easy on the throttle, and you get your MPGs up. And taking account, this is sitting on a 6-inch rough country lift, and it's running 37 1250's right now on stock rims, so that does help because it's less weight. So you know, but I'll show you what's on under the hood. All right, guys. So back to what I was saying about how I get the 19.9 miles to the gallon. I'm gonna show y'all what I'm running in this truck. Excuse the motor's a little bit dirty, but this is it. So I am actually running a K&N intake. This is the black version. And I mean, for intake wise, that's it. I don't know the part number. And also, if you see right there, I am running a throttle body spacer. Is that red one right there? Running that. I am also running the oil catch can. And I can't remember 100% where I bought this catch can from. I think I bought it on Stage 3 Motorsports as well. There it is right there. This piece right there. And like I said, these are easy to install. As you can see right here, here's the can. Here's the line just running in. Flows back out. That's it. And I mean, I do clean it whenever I do my oil changes, and there's not a bunch in there, but you know, there is some stuff that gets back in there. And I am running an excess power battery, which that controls air. At least it's good for the lighting. I've had it for 5 years, I think, 4 or 5 years, 4 years, I believe. But it's been good. It's held up. It's got plenty of charge. I can, you know, like I said, install it anyway. I think it's lead free or something like that. But yeah, for performance wise, that's what I'm running. Like I said, the K&N intake, throttle body spacer, the oil catch can, and also I got the Flowmaster exhaust. I don't know what series it is anymore. But there it is right there. I don't know if you can read it, Flowmaster. I'm not sure. I got it cut off right there. I got the tips on there, but it comes from the actual cats from the truck. It binds in right there, and it's just I don't know what you would call this setup, but Like I said, it doesn't have a resonator or anything like that. That's it. Performance wise, and also what you call it, the pedal commander, as y'all saw, I got it installed right there. And I am running the, like I said, I've got 5 tunes from SET Performance. Pull out the program, and there it is. Like I said, I got this shoot, almost whenever I got the truck, and I don't know what tune I'm running now, but you know, you just plug it into your OBD port and connect it, and that's it. And I think I got it on economy, I believe, the tune. So like I said, that's what's helping me out right now. We'll go back to the dash, I'll show you. Yeah, that's what it's sitting at. I'm driving 75 miles, 76 miles actually. If you see right there, is how my fuel tank is. 613 miles to empty still. So yeah, guys, that's the performance wise, that's how I get my MPGs on my truck, and also the install on the dampener. I'll leave the link in the description for that part. It is a Ford OEM part, you know, so I'll leave that in there. And anything else y'all want me, you know, to let y'all know about the truck or anything like that, just leave it in the comments, you know. But you know, I'm trying to hit the 1,000 subscribers, you know, to help me out as well. Maybe, you know, do some more buy better equipment also for the channel, you know, better camera. Right now I'm running off, it's not a GoPro, it's a DJI Osmo Action camera. It's like, it looks like a GoPro, but it's not a GoPro. And I'm trying to, you know, make some more money so I could buy a better quality camera and, you know, do better videos and more videos. I do got some more stuff coming for the channel, at least for my truck wise, which is actually well, I started with this truck, with this channel, and so, you know, I ain't gonna sell it. Like I said in my last video, I'm not gonna sell it, I'm gonna keep it. I'm just gonna fix it up more little by little, you know, clean it up better, do more stuff to it, and go from there. But I mean, anything else y'all need to know, let me know. Again, thank y'all for the support. Please like, subscribe, hit the thumbs up. It'll help me out, help get the videos out there, so everybody can see, you know, maybe can help somebody else. If anybody has a truck like this, wants to know the setup, you know, I can help them out and whatnot. But yeah, again, thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the guys that, you know, watch the videos, that stay tuned and everything. You know, I haven't uploaded, you know, content like I'm supposed to, but like I said, it's just been busy. And now with the season picking up, I'll be a little bit more busy, but I'm gonna try to do my best to, you know, upload more videos and everything for y'all. So yeah, stay tuned. You know, we'll see you on the next one. Peace.